Alright guys, well this is gonna be a part that I just got. It's a carbon fiber part. I've been waiting for it for a while now. After using a carbonetics for a while, I finally decided to switch on California based company, Special Carbon. And this is the first product that I got from them for the 2G Eclipse WIPER COWL or whatever it's called. Uh, I really didn't like the Cybernetics customer support, as well as the wait time, because it took forever to get an item. And once you get it, if something is wrong, then you're pretty much stuck for a while again to get a response from them. And yeah, I decided I'm gonna go look for something else. And like I said, I found Special Carbon. Uh, this is the first item I got from them, and I got it today. Uh, the the item, I like it. There is no doubt in that it's been done really good. Like, finish is really nice. Uh, there is one thing right though. Uh, I don't know what happened here, but as you can see, the fibers are kind of messed up. Does that make this part bad? Well, for me, it doesn't. It's not gonna play a huge role, because that part probably nobody's gonna pay attention on that anyway. The thing that I really like it is they did a fast uh, 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 like they produced this part really fast. I think it took me 2 weeks, and it's been already done. I already got it. Also, the support, I called them. You can actually call them on the phone and talk to them, and they're really pleasant people. They're really nice. They will negotiate with you, of course. And then I ordered this small part just to see the quality of it, so now I can proceed and start ordering bigger stuff. And like I said, this looks amazing. I mean, other than that little piece over there, this whole thing is just beautiful. I like the finish, I like the clear. And yeah, they did a really great job on the look though. Fitment though, I will have to test the fitment. I still didn't do it, I just got it. I will do that, of course, on my 420A. And then of course I will let you guys know what it is. I will probably make a video off of it as well. I will, however, have a link down in description for this part. They do make all kind of parts for all kind of cars. All you have to do is message them either on Facebook or call them. uh, I'm sure they're gonna have it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Like I said, the part looks awesome. I'm really happy with it. I still don't know the fitment. You guys know that carbon fiber is always hard to be it's always hard to make it perfect. So yeah, like I said, I will make another video for this. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. uh, I wanted to show you guys this. Make sure, of course, you like it, share, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know. I do have a one little question. If you guys can help me out, where do I find these clips that go here, here? That's this parts here. I'm looking for the OEM ones. I don't want to put screws over there. So if you guys know where to find them, please let me know. Or if somebody has the OEM ones, I would like to purchase it. So yeah, hit me up and we'll work something out. So thank you guys again, and of course, I'll see you guys next time. Ladies.